Welcome back, everyone. We're back on the Lakeland and Black Valley Railroad, where we have our Conrail unit in the lead, and we have an ex-Union Pacific unit in the lead. And it's that time of year again where we're going to be running nothing but coal trains on the Lakeland and Black Valley Railroad. The farm season is all done and taken care of. That happened off camera. I had to travel to the Maryland and Western Pacific after a major flooding destroyed one of the bridges. So we put everything on halt until we got the bridges fixed. Local freight and local passenger runs are still running, but no big major freight trains except for runs to Oregon and back are running. Well, the trains through Oregon, I should say, are running, and like those are like the only express trains that are running, and Mammoth freight trains are running through Oregon. But I'm back helping out the Lakeland and Black Valley Railroad once again. I trust my employees will do a good job repairing the bridge on the Maryland and Western Pacific Railroad. So, let's get this train to Black Valley. Once again, our Class 1 railroad, the Baltimore and Chesapeake, is now bringing us cars for us to store on our railroad. So those cars are going to the gray plant area to be stored. So, train traffic is now busy once again on our railroad. For storage, at least. We got a lot of coal hoppers moving in. Actually, quite a few coal hoppers moving in, I just realized. So business at the coal area is going to be booming. And then we're also going to be making money off of these freight cars for storage. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one. Have a good day.